Welcome to today's live immigration attorney chat. My name is Attorney Desiree of Immigration for Couples. For those of you who are new to our firm and Facebook page, our firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples navigate the U.S. immigration process. We assist clients across the nation and across the world, and we regularly host these Facebook Lives, and you'll be seeing us more, just like this one, to provide you with important information and updates in the world of immigration for couples. Today, I'm going to be discussing DACA update. Recently, the law for DACA was codified, and to codify something really just means that we are making a formal organization process within code for that rule or regulation. And so it's helpful in a lot of ways, especially to make sure that other bodies or governmental bodies or legislative bodies don't pass something that is maybe redundant or does not meet the requirements, or maybe it's inconsistent with especially a federal codified law. That codified law went into effect without much change to the actual regulation as it has been. It will go into effect on October 31st of this year. So it's important to know that. Understand that that does not impact the current ban or injunction right now on new requests for DACA. That was there was a ruling for an injunction on that. That's still in place, and we're still waiting on that. We're also waiting on the legality of DACA. There is a court case in the Fifth Circuit for that. So we're still waiting on those things. But it's very important to understand that there are remedies that are more long-term solutions for those residents who have the DACA status currently and are maybe married to a U.S. citizen, or they are contemplating getting married to a U.S. citizen, they're currently engaged. That is something that we can likely assist you with, and would love to talk to you more about that. But just knowing that there are some paths to a green card, and if that's something that you're interested in, it would be good to have counsel or seek counsel on that, just to get a good idea of where you stand long term. If you like this broadcast, please like our page, follow our page, and maybe you can get some more information from us, as well as sharing it. And we appreciate all of you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.